Welcome to my channel. My name is Rasim Guldiken. I'm an associate professor and graduate program coordinator of the Mechanical Engineering Department at the University of South Florida here in beautiful Tampa. I have been at USF for 12 years, and during my time here, I have taught 32 classes to 2,000 undergraduate, master's, and PhD level students. For my teaching initiatives, I have been recognized with several awards. Since spring 2019, I have been offering some of my classes in flipped modality, and hence I'm experienced in making videos to be shared with the students. I know that the faculty all over the world are scrambling to take their face-to-face classes to the online environment, so I decided to make this YouTube channel where I share my lecture videos for anybody who are interested in it. As of this recording, I have close to 100 lecture videos, and the content is about 25 hours, covering the fundamentals, derivations, discussions, real-life examples of fluid mechanics phenomena. I try not to be bland, and I go over the steps as if I am doing it with you, as opposed to showing you on a PowerPoint. When you watch some of my videos that covers the real-life examples of fluid mechanics phenomena, you can see that I'm calculating stuff in my head, because I really don't have a calculator in front of me. I'm doing as if I'm doing with you together. I hope you enjoy the videos, and I hope you learn a lot. Welcome to my channel again.